How are you? How are you?
I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is John. My name is John.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 7 years old. I am 7 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in New York. I live in New York.
What is this? What is this?
This is a pencil. This is a pencil.
What color is this? What color is this?
It is red. It is red.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I am reading a book. I am reading a book.
Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock.
Where is your book? Where is your book?
It is on the table. It is on the table.
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
Emma is my best friend. Emma is my best friend.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
Where is your school? Where is your school?
My school is in London. My school is in London.
What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
I like to draw. I like to draw.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I want to eat a sandwich. I want to eat a sandwich.
Can you count to 10? Can you count to 10?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a bird. I see a bird.
Do you like to play outside? Do you like to play outside?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today?
It is sunny. It is sunny.
What do you have in your bag? What do you have in your bag?
I have a notebook. I have a notebook.
What sound does a dog make? What sound does a dog make?
A dog says, woof, woof. A dog says, woof, woof.
What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat. My favorite animal is a cat.
Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't. No, I can't.
Do you like school? Do you like school?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor.
What is your favorite game? What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is hide and seek. My favorite game is hide and seek.
How many fingers do you have? How many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers. I have 10 fingers.
Can you jump? Can you jump?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
What do you hear? What do you hear?
I hear a car. I hear a car.
Do you like to sing? Do you like to sing?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What day is today? What day is today?
Today is Monday. Today is Monday.
Where do birds live? Where do birds live?
Birds live in nests. Birds live in nests.
Can you draw a star? Can you draw a star?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
What is your father's name? What is your father's name?
My father's name is David. My father's name is David.
What do bees make? What do bees make?
Bees make honey. Bees make honey.
What do you do before sleeping? What do you do before sleeping?
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
What makes you happy? What makes you happy?
Playing with my friends makes me happy. Playing with my friends makes me happy.
What shape is a ball? What shape is a ball?
A ball is round. A ball is round.
Do you like vegetables? Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite fruit is apple.
What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning?
I wake up and get dressed. I wake up and get dressed.
What do you do at night? What do you do at night?
I go to bed. I go to bed.
Where do fish live? Where do fish live?
Fish live in water. Fish live in water.
Can you clap your hands? Can you clap your hands?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.